Hi everyone, I'm Noreen. In this video, I will show you my computer graphics project where I recreated a real-life place in Bangladesh, which is Shadarghat. Here is the code, and at the very end, I will reveal the original picture I used as inspiration. So keep watching and let me know in the comments what percentage you think my project matches with the real photo. In my project, I designed some buildings, the sky with sun and clouds, and a river flowing at the bottom. On the river, you will see some small boats and a big boat moving smoothly with animation. I also added some effects here. Here is the rain effect in the night scene, and you can see the boats are moving. Clouds are also moving smoothly, and I can increase and decrease their speeds. I can stop the small boats, and I can increase the speed of the small boats and the big boat also. Here you can see I increased the speed of the big boat. It's moving fastly. And here you can see the day and rain effect. Here I reduce the speed and increase the speed of the big boat. Here you can see I increase the speed of the clouds and I reduce the speed. Here is the night scene. So this is my project. One of the highlights is the day-night effect and the rain effect. During the day, the sun shines brightly. To make the scene more dynamic, I animated the clouds moving across the sky. Together, these elements create a realistic environment. And now, here is the real Shadarghat picture. Don't forget to comment how close you think my project looks compared to the real life version. Thank you for watching.